Nextmug temperature-controlled, self-heating coffee mug review. If you're a coffee or tea enthusiast tired of lukewarm beverages, the Nextmug by Nextboom might be your new favorite gadget. This 14 ounces temperature-controlled mug ensures every sip is warm and satisfying, whether you're at home, the office, or on the go. The Nextmug features 3 temperature settings: warm, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, hot, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and piping, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can customize your drink's warmth. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery and an easy-to-use control button, it offers convenience without the need for an app. The LED indicators display real-time temperature and battery life, ensuring you are always in control. Crafted with a durable stainless steel body covered in a sleek ceramic matte finish, the mug is as stylish as it is functional. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, making it a pleasure to use. It comes with a spill-resistant lid and a docking coaster with a 6-foot charging cord, making it ideal for daily use. However, the Nextmug isn't without its drawbacks. At $130, it's a premium-priced product, which might be a barrier for some buyers. Additionally, it requires hand washing, so it may not suit those who prefer dishwasher-safe items. Pros and cons. Pros: customizable temperature settings for perfect warmth. Easy-to-use controls with no app requirements. Durable and stylish ceramic matte finish. Spill-resistant lid and charging dock included. Cons: premium price point. Requires careful hand washing. Final verdict: the Nextmug is a standout choice for anyone who values consistently warm beverages. While the price may be steep, its performance, design, and user-friendly features make it a worthwhile investment. Whether as a personal treat or a thoughtful gift, this mug brings warmth and luxury to your everyday routine. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.